How you doing, you guys? We're out here again on Coach Wisham's roof. Gonna do a repair on this back slope now. Go ahead and get this shingle. We're gonna do a repair on this shingle right here, as you can see. Go ahead and get these shingles unsealed. Oh, that's one thing right there. Trying to unseal these singles. Zoom in right there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
See how the roof snake just ate that little piece right there, little tear? Just trying to unseal these shingles. Alright. Now I do want to point out, these nails are perfectly flush. Are perfectly seated down. Even just trying to attempt to lift that shingle up right there. Nice little tear. Get these nails out. I want to lift the shingle up too high, just high enough to get these nails out. Nice nail. We are getting some. That's why I showed that these nails are flush. Getting a good bit of nail pull-throughs right there. Another nice little nail pull-through right there. Bingo. Well, you can see right here, all that nice material transfer that's left from the other shingles. That's not going to let these shingles sit well. That's damage to the factory appliance sealant. But that shingle there, see the dimensions. Ooh, that's one big thing. Let me see. Let's see if you can hold that with one hand right there.
Mm-hmm.
See if he can show you on the video. That's the old shingle. That's the new shingle we want to pull in. Is it flush over there?
Yeah.
As you can see right here, the dimensions are off. So that's one key way I could tell if this shingle on this roof is discontinued. The dimension between the shingle that I'm taking off and the shingle that I'm putting back is off. So that's how I know repairs are not going to be feasible, because of the dimensions of the shingle. Let's continue with the repair. Flush on this side. Show on right here. Flush on that side, but as y'all can see right here, it overlaps right there. It's not gonna sit. It's not gonna sit properly. It's not gonna be okay. That's how I can tell that this shingle up here is discontinued and that repairs are not gonna be okay. Because you can't just put a shingle like this that just overlaps the other shingle. It's not gonna bring this roof back to its pre-loss condition. That's why repairs are not feasible. Packing that hammer.
Yeah.
Continue with the repair. Dang, I should have brought my bigger hammer. Someone else? All right. After that repair, let me see that. Here. One big thing was obviously the dimensions right here. This how it just overlaps. The shingle on the bottom starts right there. Shingle overlaps it. You got about inch and a half of space right there that it overlapped. We had the tear right here, trying to unseal the shingle and everything. The nail pull-throughs and the material transfer. The nail pull-throughs we had over here and over here. The material transfer, which was the damage to the factory applied sealant. We showed you on the previous shingle that we pulled out and on the previous repair we did on the front. This repair is a fail, and I hope you guys see that any repairs to try to bring this roof back is not going to be okay. The dimensions, trying to unseal it right here, that little tear, the nice material transfer that it left, and the nail pull-throughs. Send all this documentation in, before pictures and after pictures. But other than that, you guys have a good one.